P8 Poseidon, cutting laps, 15,000 feet. Yeah. What are you up to, mate? Yeah. G'day, Mr. P8. Yeah. He's making the spaghetti bolognese, huh? Mario, it's too much. Yeah. What else we got? Where are you? Get out of that tree. HK. G'day, Mr. Baron. Hey, mate. Hey, Frank. Just come back from Port Lincoln. Yeah. Joining downwind. We've got another plane coming. They're everywhere. Ah! Get in that roof. Yeah. Hey, mate. Frank. It just doesn't want to focus today. George! Watch out for the shed. Get in that shed. Where are you? I can see you. Why can the camera not see you? Jack! Frickin' sun's killing it. It's going right into the sun. Right there. Directly above me. Yeah, you. Yeah. Hey, mate. Frank? Ah, another P8 Poseidon. Different one. Get in that shed. Ah. Frank? Whoa! Whoa!